Hey everybody, you're on the GeekBox YouTube channel. Today I will tell you how to update Samsung Smart Hub TV. Let's go. Open Settings. All settings. Support. Software update. Update now. Or open Settings. Support. Device care. Self-diagnosis. Reset Smart Hub. Enter PIN. The Smart Hub will be reinstalled. The latest version of the Smart Hub will be installed, but all applications will also be reset. That's it. Now you know how to update Samsung Smart Hub TV. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to the channel. Good luck and see you soon.